you all are good and fine. I am here to explain our final project, that is hybrid drone for environmental monitoring. This project is made a group of 4 members. Nowadays you all see this drone being used for clicking high quality images and also for live recording, which can be viewed on any portable screen. This hybrid drone is different from an ordinary drone because this hybrid drone is working in all the 3 mediums, that is air, land and water, which a normal drone cannot do. As you can see the block diagram of our project on the screen. So starting with the main block, that is Raspberry Pi 3P Plus model. All the signals and command will be fed onto this board, and from this board all the signal is given to the rest of the components which we have used. Next we have the ESC electronic speed controller, which will control the speed of the motors. Next we have propellers. It looks like a fan blade made up of plastic material, which will help the drone to fly in the air, which will complete our air medium. Next we have 1400 kV BLDC motor, basically a brushless DC motor, which will be used in our project. Also we have used a remote control car chassis along with the tires, so that the drone body will be fixed on this chassis, which will complete our land part. Also we have used azimuth thruster, which will help the drone inside the water to move forward and backward. Also here you can see a small video of injection tank. Basically the concept is it will take some amount of water inside, so that the drone goes inside the water and flush out the remaining water so when the drone wants to come on top back of the surface of the water. Also we have attached a GoPro camera, which will click good pictures, high quality pictures, and also our live recording, and all this data will be stored in a small memory card chip which is inside a GoPro camera. Also we have used a 16 channel transmitter by which the drone can be handled or controlled accordingly. Last but not the least, the lithium polymer battery, LiPo battery, which will give supply to the drone. Next we have this animation video, which is done on the Blender software. You can see the video. It's an animated type video which we have done on the Blender software. Also we have done the small testing of our project, the live recording, as you can see in the video. Hope you all liked my explanation of our project. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.